Doggo on Mars is an interplanetary currency. It aims to make humanity a multi-planet species. Have you questioned what's beyond Earth? Doggo on.
Welcome back, my fellow Martians. This is Big R Crypto. I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. Thank you so much for joining the channel. If you guys don't already know, we are coming out with the best daily crypto content on YouTube, so make sure you guys like and subscribe because, you guys, we are staying ahead of the game over here. I also have my Patreon down below, guys. It's 10 spots. 10 spots are available for $5 each, and that lets you know when I am buying the latest and newest cryptos that I believe are going to explode. But without further ado, let's get into this technical analysis for Doggo on Mars. Elon, I know you're watching us. I know you're watching me. Guys, you know, I think that it's only a matter of time before, you know, Elon, my man, is going to pull the trigger on this coin, guys. I think that he's behind it. I don't know if he is behind it or not, but what I do know is that this is the next Dogecoin. And when we eventually get listed onto, you know, Binance, Coinbase, whatever it may be, oh my God, we are going to blast off to the moon. And I want to go over this chart with you guys because I'm showing you signs of a reversal right now. As you can see, I'm going to bring you some grade 2 level investing right now, some chart analysis. Let's take a look. Look at this heavy support right now at this 110 mark, guys. Heavy support. We are not breaking through this, guys, and I'm telling you, right here, this little green little hammer guy right here, this is a sign of a reversal. We're at the bottom of our pyramid. Guys, we are about to take off, I am telling you. This is not financial advice, of course. Do not invest with what I say. But, you know, I think that we just got to keep pushing, guys. We got to keep holding on to our bags. Keep stacking dog along, guys, because I'm telling you, these price points are not going to be here for much longer. I know I keep saying it. I say it over and over and over again. But I want to stress to you guys because it happens so many times in investing where you want to invest in a coin and something and then you always regret not buying more. So I'm here to tell you guys, take advantage of this opportunity in this lifetime, in this moment, and just buy some Doggo on Mars. Not financial advice. Don't invest with what I say. Don't invest with your money on what I say. But I'm telling you, I think that it would be a great idea to possibly buy some Doggo on Mars right now. You saw Dogecoin, you saw what happened when people invested $500, they became millionaires, right? And I think that this is definitely possible. If we got to the point where Shiba Inu is right now, we would be at a 28x. A 28x for a coin that literally has Doge and Elon in it. Doggo on Mars, we know the mission. The mission is very clear. It's right ahead of us. And I think that it's only a matter of time. Look at this chart, guys. Let's look at the daily chart. Let's look at this down flag spiraling flagpole. It's so obvious to me, guys. We are literally about to break out through this triangle, and when we do, we are going to explode. We're going to crush a zero. I know it. If we crush a zero, guys, oh my God. There's so many people stacking Doggo on Mars right now. If you go on the Doggo on Mars Instagram page, people are, at least everyone's price target is like $1 billion, or holding amount is $1 billion coins. I think that's a great amount. If you guys can hold $1 billion coins, that's terrific. But either way, I think $10 right now would be terrific. Anything that you can put into this coin, guys, I think that is going to pay off. We've already hit a $1 billion market cap, and I think that it's really only a matter of time before we hit this $10 billion market cap, at least. At least a $10 billion market cap. $5 billion for sure. I'm not a fortune teller, though. I can't tell the future, but what I can tell is I know a good opportunity when I see it. And I called this coin out. If you guys didn't see my original TikTok, I called this coin out before it went on a 3,000% run. Okay, that was my TikTok a long time ago. It was actually my first YouTube video that I posted, and the reason why I kept posting YouTube videos, because I know that this coin is going to be absolutely enormous. We are the biggest Doggo on Mars community on YouTube. We are the best Doggo on Mars community on YouTube, and I think that we're going to stay like that. Just keep holding, guys. Like, look at this. Like, just look how perfect this chart is filling out. It's a perfect accumulation signal from all of these whales that are keeping on buying. guys, I'm just telling you, it's going to be huge. It's going to be absolutely enormous, and I'm just waiting on that moment where that trigger is but yet to be pulled. Elon, if you are watching, I know it's very possible that you're watching, man, and I know you want to keep it silent on us, and that's fine. But if you could just slide a SpaceX rocket our way, that would be absolutely fantastic, man. I don't know. I want to ramble on all day about it. I really could ramble on all day about this coin, and I'm just saying, these moments are what make millionaires. Just remember that. Millionaires aren't made when the price is already up. Millionaires are made before the pump goes. And I'm saying, if you just take a look at the fundamental, name and, what's happened in the past with other cryptocurrencies, it's just so obvious to me. It's so obvious to me. And maybe I might sound like an idiot in a couple months. I don't know. Maybe I'll sound like a genius. Either way, I'm hyped up. I can't wait to see what happens with the coin. If we drop a zero, I'm buying. Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna be buying this coin. I'm gonna be scooping it all up. And even if we have a little bit of a break of meme coins where it's not going our way, I am just waiting until that moment until we do, because we will see parabolic gains on our investment. We will see more money than we see in our stocks. We will see more money than we invest in, the real estate, because it's just too powerful. A coin like this is too powerful. The name is too powerful. The community is so strong. We have posters being posted everywhere. It's just only a matter of time. The next Dogecoin, the next Shiba Inu, you've heard it here from Big R Crypto first. If you didn't hear it from me first, you will hear it from me passionately speak about it, and you will know that I am a diehard Dogalon fan. I'm going to Mars. I hope you guys join with me. Anyways, guys, let's take it easy. Just settle down, right? Calm the emotions down, because we're gearing up. We're gearing up, and it's going to be big. I will see you guys next time. Remember, my Patreon, there's only 10 spots for $5 each a piece. Make sure you guys go down and go to the Patreon, because you guys don't want to miss out. If you guys don't like to make money, then, that's fine. But if you guys like making money, then I definitely suggest going to see my Patreon. Please like and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen, because I am coming up with the best daily crypto content on YouTube. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day. We're going to be coming up with videos this week on NFTs and whatnot. I'm super hyped up, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I will see you guys next time. Peace out, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.